Moving on now, the hunt is on for the man who shamed Mumbai after sexually harassing an American woman at Colaba in Mumbai on Monday. As the outrage peaks over this issue, the police have registered a case under Section 509 of the IPC against the accused. However, the accused continues to be at large. On Monday, a 35-year-old American woman tweeted a picture of a man saying he masturbated in front of her while she was on a morning walk. Her tweet soon went viral and was retweeted by several citizens. Even reached the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis's door, who issued instructions to the top cops to look into the matter. Police teams are patrolling across Mumbai looking for the culprit and have distributed his photographs among informants and beat marshals. The police recorded the statement of the complainant yesterday. Meanwhile, people across the country have expressed shock over this incident.
सर, ये क्या घटना है? कौन सी महिला के साथ क्या घटना घटी थी और आपने क्या कार्रवाई करी है?
I cannot disclose all the information. At present, I can tell you only this. The case has been registered under Section 509 of IPC.
मेरे ख्याल से विकृत है इस तरह की मानसिकता वाले जो लोगों को, मेरे को पता नहीं किस तरह की ऐसी मानसिकता रखते हैं, बोल के बहुत गलत है. इस तरह की चीजें नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Never felt unsafe here as such, but things like these really scare you. Like, I mean, it might happen to you at any point of time. She was a foreigner. It happened to her. What impression are we giving to the world at large? Incidences like these, they affect the security. I mean, we feel insecure because it happens to somebody who's come here for some time, and we live here. So obviously, we're under more threat because we're living among those people.
See, I'm a tourist as well in this city now. So, you know, as a tourist, I think this is unpardonable. And the fact that, you know, it's happening in broad daylight and nobody else, you know, who's like passes by are doing anything about it is a bit of a shame. And if you're a foreign national and if this is the sort of, you know, thing you witness, then I think it leaves a really bad impression. I mean,
When I go out, you have all these cat callings and you have all this eve teasing, and if I reply back, it just makes everything worse. So it's easier just to shut up and keep walking and just go home. And
I hope that there is a change coming here soon, because I think women's security is something that really needs to advance here, I think.
But if this would have happened to me, then obviously I would have protested this, because the thing which the guy was doing is not it shouldn't be done openly, basically. So I would have opposed this, basically, and instead of posting it on the Facebook, I would have opposed this.
Whatever things are happening, that should be, government should take action on that. I think government should take action, because mainly night shift, when the girls are returning or the women are returning, they're facing much more problems. So I don't think that should happen. And it is mainly, I think it's maximum problems are happening in Kolkata and also many metro cities. So this should be checked, according to me.
Okay, let's go across now to Mayuresh, who joins us from Mumbai. Mayuresh, have we heard anything as far as leads in the investigation is concerned? Because he seems to have become, this person seems to have actually become a hate figure of sorts for women in this country. Almost a rallying point, because a lot of women, including Twinkle Khanna, are now coming out and saying that, you know, they have faced something similar in their life. This has now become you know, perhaps every woman's story in this country.
Certainly, Sanket, we heard a lot of reactions just now, but what we are getting to know from our sources in police is that this person, he doesn't belong to this Colaba area or South Mumbai area. So right now, as we are getting the information from our sources from the police, that they have distributed his photograph to other police station and beat marshals also, and they have activated their own source network in this particular area. If he comes back to this area, then certainly they will try to nab him. But right now, it's been more than 40 hours. There is no sign of any arrest, and even police is looking, or we can say police is hunting for this particular person, because they only have a photograph. They don't have any kind of criminal record of this person, or any kind of record, basically, because this person doesn't belong to this area. They have asked other police stations to check their records and see if they know anything about this particular person, his whereabouts, or his any criminal record is there in Mumbai Police Diary. Back to you.
Mayuresh, many thanks for joining us with all the latest. And as we told you, meanwhile, reacting to the Colaba case, Bollywood actor Twinkle Khanna has said that she herself had to face a similar incident when she was just 12. Shocked over the recent case, she says it's sad that such incidents continue to happen.
All of us have seen things like this. I would say I was a small girl and we went on a school trip to Hanging Garden, you know, in town, and I saw something like this. So it's a sad situation, and obviously these people are mentally ill. What can you say about that?